A landmark achievement for India's maritime history and a powerful testimony to women empowerment. They were two Indian Navy officers, Lieutenant Commander Rupa A. and Lieutenant Commander Dilna, have successfully completed a double-handed circumnavigation of the globe aboard INS Tarini.
That's right. This epic voyage spanning 25,400 nautical miles across treacherous oceans and continents that culminated with a flag-in ceremony. Of course, this is going to be taking place in the presence of the Defence Minister. Let's listen in to what was really said by these two women. We spoke to them when they still had 4,000 miles to go. Listen in to what they said.
Still have 4,500 miles to go, and we are excited to complete the challenge which we have taken up. That will be a great moment for both of us, and we are happy that we're going to meet our families and friends back home. At the same time, we'll miss the times at sea, and it's a tough emotion to process.
So there were many challenging situations we have faced all these months. To name a few, we had rough seas, heavy winds, irregular sleep patterns, and we had physical and mental exhaustion, and also we had to deal with the cold with a sudden drop of temperatures, and also we had some equipment defects in the middle of the ocean and some minor injuries.
We have satellite services available on board for voice calls and emails, and for sending the position to Navy. So we keep Navy updated every 12 hours, and we keep the same facility to update our families and friends and to stay in touch with them. There were many situations, but one particular situation was routing the Cape Horn. Cape Horn is known as the Mount Everest of seas, and we have got the worst weather there. We had confused seas and swells and waves from different directions, and we had several knockdowns at Cape Horn. And our boat was completely rolled over and heeled over to one side, touching the boom in the water.
This was definitely a transformative and a humbling journey for both of us. We both have learned a lot. I'm not sure we can say all those in such a short message, but in the ocean, we met ourselves, we met our strengths, we met our weakness, and we dealt with them with no choice of walking away from any tough situation which we had faced. We now learn to enjoy the little things that make up life.